Louder.
This is my WWE Championship, and I got from Toys R Us, and then it's spin around like this. It gets bigger if you do. It gets smaller like that, but because this is like M. It's E and N, so it's WWE. So, WWE. E. There's an. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Okay, what else?
Then there's an. Trying to fix my job. Oh my gosh! And you can blocking the way. And there's a man.
Don't go too close.
Okay,
what's that?
This I pressed. So I broke it because it was pressed.
So keep pressing it.
And it says WWE Champion. And this is, I don't know what is it. And then it says, give it a strap. Look at me. And because I was putting in the neck. Oh my gosh.
Okay, Trace.
Oh, stop. Take that off.
And then what? Hurry up. I'm gonna turn this off.
Bye. See you. Bye. I was checking video of you make it, okay? Bye.
That's it?